Hey, Kate here from WTI, coming to you from my son's room because I wanted to share these awesome sheets that he has on his bed right now from LuxClub. So this is a 6-piece bamboo sheet set, a fitted sheet, a top sheet, and 4 large pillowcases, which are really awesome. It is super comfortable and soft. He really loves these sheets. He says they're breathable. They don't get him too hot, too cold. They're just very, very comfortable. It's got a nice smooth texture. Now these have been on his bed already for quite a few days. We're about to wash them again and it's not even wrinkled. So that's a sign when you've been sleeping in it and everything and they're still nice and smooth. They're wrinkle resistant, which is fantastic. Super easy to wash and maintain. They haven't pilled or anything either. Now just the sheer number of people that recommend these sheets has to tell you something. So I'm really impressed with them. I like how they fit on the mattress. They have a very generous pocket, so it's not popping out in the middle of the night. I really love the way the pillowcases have this pocket so that your pillow is not slipping out. That's a nice added detail. And then the details on the hem and all of that just add to a pretty complete look. This is the king size set that he has on his bed, but they come in all kinds of sizes and of course a ton of colors. So check it out. It can go with whatever decor you have, lots of variety to choose from. So if you're looking for a really great sheet set, something fuss-free, easy to clean, and that you know is going to be comfortable, then I definitely recommend this one from LuxClub, and that's my point of view.